Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. Alright, let's begin. First, open a browser. This works on both mobile and desktop. I'll use Google Chrome. Search for Meta Business Suite. Click on the result that leads to Meta Business Suite. Log into your account. Once logged in, click on Get Started to access your dashboard. Now, go to the top left corner and open the drop-down menu. Make sure you've selected the correct business account. Next, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Under Settings, find and select Pages. Now, click on Add at the top right corner. Choose Add an existing Facebook page. Search for the Facebook page you want to claim. When you find it, select it, then click Next. You'll be asked to agree to Meta's terms and services. Tick the box, then click on Claim Page. After doing this, you'll be granted full access and ownership of that Facebook page, provided you meet Meta's requirements. So that's basically how you can claim ownership of a Facebook page. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.